A great space heater can make you feel cozy on damp, chilly days. Whether you're looking to heat up an office, garage or bedroom, there are many factors to consider when shopping for the perfect option for your space. There are numerous options for cheap space heaters, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable space heaters from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Duraflame 3D Infrared Electric Fireplace Stove. If you've always wanted a fireplace in your home, but don't have the space or budget, the Duraflame 3D Infrared Electric Fireplace Stove Heater is a great alternative. While testing, we found that it has a lot of heating power and a compact, energy-efficient design. While operating the unit and using our P3 kilowatt monitor, we measured this unit only to use 0.48 kilowatts per hour. The assembly was easy, only requiring us to attach the legs, and once it was up and running, this all-tested unit performed well on each of its settings. Note that this is an infrared heater, so it only heats objects and people in a given space, rather than the air in that room. This is why we didn't record a change in the room temperature when using this heater. However, we did appreciate the overall feeling of warmth it provided. Number 2. PELONIS Electric Ceramic Tower Space Heater. This space-conscious tower heater has a basic design yet blends well into small spaces while heating up the room effectively. We think it's an excellent option for bedrooms, offices, or living rooms because it is relatively quiet on high and is easy to move around thanks to its 6-pound weight and built-in carrying handle. It also has an 8-hour timer, so you can program it to shut off automatically. While it comes with a simple remote, we found the touchscreen digital display to be most impressive. It has a high and low mode, plus an eco mode that keeps it at a consistent temperature. You can't select an exact temperature, but it does have a built-in thermostat and will display the temperature in the room, and we noticed it only gets as hot as 92 degrees. Number 3. Dreo Atom 1 Space Heater. Cold, damp rooms are never fun in the winter. We think the Dreo DRHSH004A is a good solution to help take out the chill in a damp space, because it has an ALSI plug that is designed to shut off too if it comes into contact with water or has a short, and is listed as IP21.3, and unlike most of the space heaters on this list, it has a digital thermostat with a clear LED display, so you can choose the exact temperature you'd like. You can also use this unit as a cooling fan in the summer. Plus, this small unit can turn 70 degrees to help circulate the air around the room. The numbers on the display are very easy to read, and the features are very easy to understand. Number 4. Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Tabletop Heater. Smart appliances are popular for a reason. They allow you to turn the power on and off, control settings, and even alert you about potential issues from another location. We love the Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Portable Heater because it is Alexa and Google Assistant compatible, is controlled from an app, and has a user-friendly display. Plus, it heats up quickly. Our body temperature jumped 2 degrees after having this heater on high for just 5 minutes. While the heater's exterior did warm up while it was on, it didn't get too hot, and it has a red light that makes it easy to know when it's on, as well as when it is still cooling down. And safety-wise, it turned off right away after being tipped over. Overall, our favorite feature was its digital display, which allowed us to easily read and adjust the temperature, and had very responsive touchscreen controls. There are also eco mode, timer, and oscillation settings, so the air can circulate around the room. Number 5. Dreo Solaris Slim H3 Space Heater. If you like being able to choose the exact temperature you want in the room, the Dreo Solaris Slim H3 Space Heater is a great option. It has all of the features we love about the Dreo Atom 1 Space Heater, our best value pick, including an easy-to-use digital display and remote control, 70-degree oscillation, stylish look, and effective heating. But it is taller and can heat a larger area at once. In fact, while seated, we felt the heat entirely thanks to the height of the heater. This unit does not have an ALSI safety plug, but you can choose a model with one if needed. However, it does have tip-over and overheat protection. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.